Amazing inventions that will save your life. Introduction. Start by defining what life-saving inventions are and how they play an important role in saving lives. Highlight the significance of technology in saving lives, and how these inventions are making a positive impact. Explain the purpose of the video, to showcase the top life-saving inventions that have the potential to change the world for the better. 2. Portable defibrillators. Discuss how portable defibrillators have made a significant impact in emergency situations, by providing quick and easy access to life-saving treatment. Explain how they work and their effectiveness in restoring a normal heart rhythm in cardiac arrest patients. Highlight their compact design, making them easily accessible and transportable. 3. Smart helmets for cyclists and motorcyclists. Discuss the growing need for road safety, especially for cyclists and motorcyclists, who are at a higher risk of accidents. Explain how smart helmets are designed to enhance road safety, with features such as built-in lights, turn signals, and cameras. Highlight how these helmets can also connect to a smartphone, providing real-time data and alerts, such as traffic and weather conditions. 4. Wearable health monitors. Discuss the increasing importance of monitoring our health, and how wearable health monitors are making it easier to do so. Explain the various features of wearable health monitors, such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and fitness tracking. Automated external defibrillators, AEDs. Discuss the importance of quick response in cardiac emergencies, and how automated external defibrillators, AEDs, provide a life-saving solution. Explain how AEDs are designed to be simple and easy to use, even by individuals with no medical training. 7. Water purification systems. Discuss the critical importance of access to clean drinking water, especially in developing countries. Explain how water purification systems are designed to provide clean and safe drinking water, even in areas without access to clean water sources. 8. Solar-powered portable generators. Discuss the growing need for energy access in remote areas, where traditional power sources are not available. Explain how solar-powered portable generators provide a clean and sustainable source of energy, using the power of the sun. Highlight how these generators can be used in a variety of settings, such as disaster relief, camping, and outdoor events. 9. Smoke detectors. Discuss the importance of early warning in fire emergencies, and how smoke detectors play a critical role. Explain how smoke detectors are designed to detect smoke and alert individuals to a potential fire, providing enough time to evacuate. Highlight how smoke detectors have saved countless lives, and how they continue to play a vital role in preventing fire-related fatalities. Personal alarms, alerting others in dangerous situations. Personal alarms are small, portable devices that emit loud sounds or flashing lights to alert others in emergency situations. These devices are often worn on a person's clothing or carried in a bag or purse, and can be activated by pressing a button or pulling a cord. Personal alarms are designed to help people feel safe and secure, especially when they are out and about in public places, or when they are home alone. They can also be used to attract attention and signal for help if a person is lost, injured, or in danger. Personal alarms are a convenient and effective way to call for help in emergencies and can be an important tool for people of all ages. 12. Emergency response systems, rapid response in emergencies. Emergency response systems are designed to provide a rapid response in the event of an emergency. Examples of these systems include personal safety devices. Personal safety devices, such as panic buttons, allow individuals to quickly call for help in the event of an emergency. 13. Medical alert systems, providing peace of mind for the elderly and disabled. Medical alert systems are designed to provide peace of mind for elderly and disabled individuals. These systems include medical alert devices. Medical alert devices, such as fall detectors, allow individuals to quickly call for help in the event of a fall or other medical emergency. 14. Disaster preparedness kits, essential items for emergencies. Disaster preparedness kits are essential for individuals to have in the event of an emergency, such as a natural disaster. These kits typically include items such as food and water, enough supplies to last several days in case of a power outage or other emergency. First aid kit, essential items for treating injuries, such as bandages and pain relievers. Flashlight and radio, to provide light and access to emergency broadcasts. Warm clothing and blanket, to keep warm in case of a power outage. Cash and important documents, in case of evacuation, it's important to have cash and important documents readily available. 15. Conclusion, the impact of these life-saving inventions. In conclusion, these life-saving inventions have had a profound impact on society by providing a rapid response in the event of an emergency and ensuring the safety of individuals in various situations. From car safety devices that protect passengers in accidents to medical alert systems that provide peace of mind for the elderly and disabled, to disaster preparedness kits that provide essential items in emergencies, these innovations have helped save countless lives and reduce the risk of injury.